Argyll Cash Registers Limited have been established for over 20 years, continually improving and developing on new and exciting technologies. If you're looking to expand or upgrade, or advice and services on cash registers, then look no further. We can provide the supply and installation of touchscreen systems, Alderman water pads, EPOS scanning systems and much more, as well as a vast array of hospitality management. We have experience in supplying a range of business sectors and can therefore offer you the services required, whatever your line of work. We are proud to have customers in wholesale, manufacturing and delivery sectors with a growing spectrum, developing constantly. Contact us today to find out more about our services.